Hello guys, I'm Abir Abedin. Today I'm going to show you how to set up programming plus my own created programming language. So let's get started. First, come in this link. I will drop the link in description, or if you are already in this website, then just click this download link. For first, go to this link. After coming, scroll down a little bit and click on download. After clicking download, the download will automatically start it. There's some note, please read it first. If you skip this video, then this process will help you. After downloading, you can see this thingy. Then click this arrow button and click on keep. After clicking keep, the blue ring will be jump. After that, go to your file location where you download it. In my case, it's download. After going this, click on this. Click on the setup menu. If you see this, click on more info. If not showing run always, click on more info and click on run always. After select your location wherever you want to download it. I am downloading in my desktop, so let's select desktop. Then OK. Then click on extract. It will take few seconds. So my installation has been done. Now you can see this folder in your desktop. Click on this and click on dist and click on shell. Then you can see procpp.exe. Also the programming plus's extension is procpp. Here also I create an example program to understand you guys how it's work. Click on first that, and for run your program, write capital RU and run, and first bracket, inside the first bracket to double clone, and there your file name. There is the example. I am running the example for that example example.procpp. You can see now I am hitting enter. You can see there it's a loop. I'm showing also the code here. To learn my programming language, stay subscribe with me. I will make a tutorial for my programming language, so subscribe me. After opening, I was working in a thing, so going in desktop. In my folder and dist and shell. Now my example.procpp. Click on it. Yeah, you're here. There is a creating and function where is an opp is a prefix. There is already L and SP for printing a scoop and loop. And then I printed this function and function added there and tell this program to loop it. So that's happening. Also created by Abir Abedin showing that from here. I printed from printed. So that's showing. And this is a comment tag. You can comment there like this. Hash. Hi. Also, Thanks for see, the program will this will not run because this is a comment. Now I'm saving it and running it again. Control C and V, hitting enter. See, this comment is not showing. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. If you like, then give a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, then subscribe to my channel obviously. And thanks for watching.